Happy Vlogmas day 4. Today is gonna be a good day. Nothing super crazy, but I'm excited for it. I'm also so super excited for tomorrow. So get excited about tomorrow's video because it's gonna be a good one. And I'll actually be doing Christmassy stuff, so it'll be fun. I don't know why I keep singing. I tried on this dress, you guys. This is the dress I got on Black Friday from H&M that I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it because the sleeves are like huge balloons. But I don't know, what do you think? I kind of like it. I mean, the sleeves don't look too bad. And I like that it's kind of, it's not fitted, but it's like slimmer. I think it's pretty cute and it's really, really cozy and warm. Anyway, today is my brother Blake's birthday and tomorrow is my brother Lincoln's birthday. So we're having a little birthday celebration, nothing crazy, just basically us sitting there watching them open presents and eating cake. You know, the usual. So, if you watched my video yesterday, you saw Blake telling me I had to make him a cake. So I guess I'm gonna do that. We're actually making like one of those giant cookie pizza things, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I have to get my vlog up for today because I haven't done that. I'm falling super behind, but it's okay. I'm gonna catch up. It's all gonna be good. And then I saw on Instagram this morning this market called Jenny B Market or something, and it's basically a cute little Christmas market around here, and it ends today. So I want to go to that. So I told my mom about it. I was like, Mom, we should go to this because it's really, really cute. We can get gifts for people. I think we're gonna try to go to that. I don't know if it'll actually happen, but today should be a pretty good day. Like I said, nothing super exciting happening, but that doesn't mean we still can't have fun. Okay, I'm gonna start editing so I can get my video up for y'all. And I will check back in a little bit. That was just my laundry. I need to do my laundry too. Woo, what a day. We are on our way to the Christmas market. I'm here with my lovely mom. From what I saw on Instagram, it looks fabulous. So I have high expectations and they better not be crushed. Everyone knows that waffle? That's such a good idea. I don't know. Oh, a sample. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat or a train. You guys, everything here is so cute and I want to buy it all. Take my money. Stuff like this. That's what I was expecting. Well, that was a success. Almost too much of a success. I'll do a haul. Claire, if you're watching this, stop watching this. I'm not gonna show Marianne's present because I don't wanna give anything away. So first, I got this for my sister Claire. It's the Young Women's theme, the new Young Women's theme part of it. And I already have like half of her present, so I just got that to complete it. Then I got both my little brothers, Blake and Truman, these little slingshot things so they can just go at it with each other all the time. What?
Destroy each other?
Yeah. What else did I even get? Oh, I also got these for Truman, chocolate frogs, because he loves Harry Potter, so that's part of his gift. And then the last thing I got is this really pretty ring. I got this pretty blue ring. I'm gonna wear it every day, except when it doesn't match my outfit. It's so pretty. I love it. Okie doke, forgot to film it. But I made my cookie cake. It actually looks like it turned out perfect. I will link the recipe down below if you want to try it. But we've also got a bundt cake over here that my mom made. Is it mint? Still good. And yeah, not much has happened. I posted my Vlogmas finally. Now I'm gonna work on my hat a little bit before dinner. Then we'll have a little party. I'm going on an emergency balloon run. We gotta make this feel like a party. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna hit the trash can. Ah! Why is it so close? Whoops. Whoops. This is a disaster. I think there's not too many. When you have like a huge bouquet of balloons, it's a struggle, but it's so much fun. Except now I can't see out my back window, but it's fine. Guess what? There's 13 letters in happy birthday. So if you know someone that's turning 13, you can get them happy birthday candles and it'll be just the right amount. We just figured that out today. What the heck? Where's the wick? Let's test one. Maybe not, actually. Just melt it down. Ah! Now I get to make a wish. Oh! I have blue powdered sugar everywhere. Happy birthday, dear Blake. What a teenager. Woo! So much spit. Yep. Pull it out. Oh, yeah. Cute.
Summer decor.
Okay, I'll move.
Yep.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Trickers.
We didn't mean for them to be tricks.
Are they really?
I don't know.
Chipotle and we're gonna get Chipotle.
You're gonna get to go see all the movies.
We
Oh my gosh, Truman.
Like it's crazy.
Ooh, a new sweater.
Nice. Ooh, that's a nice color.
Cool.
It matches the mouth you got on.
What?
See that tongue in your mouth?
What the heck does that even mean?
Not really.
Oh, I thought you were talking about his mouth, not the mouth on his shirt.
I said the mouth you got on, not the mouth you have
Well, he
on.
has a mouth on.
Oh, it's kind of fun. Shadows in the forest.
You didn't even blow it out. Update, cookie cake is delicious. Sterling's counting all the change he's found outside the drive-thru window of work.
my boss finds like $200 a year for pizza.
Alright, it's actually the next day. I forgot to end this vlog. Typical. But thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying Vlogmas so far. It's only gonna get better from here. I hope you're having a very Merry Christmas and I will see you tomorrow, which is gonna be a really good video. Bye guys.